Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday, May the 28th, 2024. We have three puzzles done: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and a binary. It's now time for the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 8615. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here the same, 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I see here a triple box. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other number, the 2, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright, more triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes? Well, we have here a quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box of the L shape is always a 5. This box is a 5. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other number 2, could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. So here, in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 there. Okay. Here, another T shape. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one shape of this kind. Then the following shape, how about the L shape, upside down? When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Only one L shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a double 3 there. I cannot place the 3 here. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here, is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, okay. Then this box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 3, but also that box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So only 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for us. 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is connected with that box, so 2 and 5. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes, these 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me think. Come on. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra L shape for number 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. I've marked this box with 4 or 5. We have a 4 in the same area, so this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2 is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Well, we have a double 3 there, so I cannot place the 3 here. The 3 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. This box can be 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in, the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. This one is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be in, the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. This box can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Wow. 0 stars. Yeah. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.